good, everybody? This is Bambino here, and today I got another unboxing for you guys, as y'all can see, from another plug that I just recently got from. I don't know what it is, but it could be something that I already seen. It could be something I have not seen in a while, but now let's open this and see what we got here. Here we go. We got an Air Jordan 1 box right here. Let me just slide it together. Throw that to the side. So here we have an Air Jordan 1 box right here, right? Perfect, classic, no QR code, nothing, which is perfectly fine. We don't know, I didn't look at the name or nothing. This is a practical Jordan 1 box, OG, not no inverse of black Nike logo or red box itself, or maybe, I don't know, but we got the original box. So let's look at what's inside the shoe. See, it comes with the shoelaces, white, red, typical shoelace color pack. And now, here we have the Air Jordan 1 Chicago's. Now, these shoes itself is an iconic pair to have, really. It's a shoe that anybody can really get, and it's a shoe that mostly everyone wants to have in their collection, really. I can't lie to y'all. I wanted my collection. I know y'all wanted your collection. So the plug that sent me this, it's a really good pair. I love it. I don't see anything wrong with this shoe. I just think that I don't know, man. Chicago's come in different colors, you know, various colors. But I like this one. I like this one a lot, if you ask me. I like this one really a lot. Let me see if my light is. I like how the insole looks on the shoe. The insole looks perfect, black, even though the insole looks great. The Nike check, it's outstanding. The color of the shoe is perfect as well too. And it just looks like a regular ordinary bread. Doesn't look like the black toes. I wish we had black toes. I wish we had top UNC to Chicago's Fearless packs. Wish we had them, but it'll take time. Don't worry, it'll take time. But to rate this shoe, man, this shoe would go on my all-time favorite Jordans. Like, of course you gotta have the originals. The originals are the most important part of a Jordan 1 collection. To rate this shoe itself, I'm gonna have to give this a 9 out of 10, because I've seen this shoe multiple times, time and time again, and this shoe is always come out to be perfect. After remodel, after remodel, after remodel, this shoe's flat out perfect. You can't go wrong with a pair like this, really. You really can't go wrong. And to top it off, this shoe is one of my favorite pairs of all time. I'm just glad I got them. So shout out to the plug that sent me this. Really, like, y'all are really amazing. Y'all do well, and I just like how the way y'all like work with people. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I love this shoe a lot. These shoes are absolutely perfect. I know I did this in my last video, but yeah, these shoes are actually amazing. I love them. Thank y'all for sending me these. Yeah, man, I don't know what to tell y'all. These shoes are flat out perfect. If y'all want to know where I got these from, hit me up on my IG at Bino_1999EST, and I'll hit y'all up on Instagram. Don't forget, make sure to comment, like, subscribe, and share. We growing the channel, so far almost there. We gotta keep going, and we just have to, you know, keep grinding it out. You feel me? Like these Jordan 1s right here, they've been grinding out through the season. So we just gotta keep grinding, keep rolling, and just do the best we can with the channel. You know what I'm saying? Now let's get to this on-foot review. Let's go.